Are China's new $2,000 female robots about to revolutionize the market? What makes these affordable androids so special, and how will they impact our everyday lives? Join us as we uncover the latest developments and dive into the future of robotics. Let's get started. China is in the leadership of a new technological revolution that has shocked and interested the world. Imagine walking into a shop or ordering an online order to get a lifelike human-shaped companion who is supposed to satisfy all your needs instead of just a device. The future has turned from a dream into reality. An entry point in the price range of $2,000, China's female robots have come to enter the market from the once science fiction films that have been featured. Much more than machines, these robots are. They hold artificial intelligence which enables them to interact with humans at astonishing intimate levels. Designated to make life easier and more effective, even delightful, these robots promise never to let people down. They can communicate with you, understand your likes and dislikes, and thus easily learn your lifestyle. That is not surprising because of why these robots are becoming the buzzword all around the world. For $2,000, they come out to be the cheapest solution for most of the present day's problems. The most obvious feature of these robots is going to be their excellent design. Manufacturers have tried a lot for them to look and act like humans. Due to this, their skins, being the advanced components made of silicone, give that sensation as well as have the feeling of real, warm flesh. Their eyes can reveal expression from inquiry into sympathy dependent on some good handiwork. How do they walk? Smooth and natural, as if a human had choreographed each movement, gesture, and head tilt. The physical and emotional features of these robots give off a human feel rather than just a humanly shaped look. But these are not pretty face developments. It is their intelligent brains that make the robots pretty cool. Advanced AI software that allows the unit to learn and engage in real time comes with each unit. Such machines recognize your face, keep talking like they'll never talk a second time, and remember lots about you. For example, next time you said to prepare it black coffee but sugared, they would note because it was your requirement on their previous occasion. In return, you paid for it. Now this is just having your best buddy and companion as all mixed. It does not stop at that. What is marvelous is how precise these machines can conduct operations within a house. They can cook simple meals, do the washing, and sweep the floors. Just coming home from a hard day to find that your robot companion has already cleaned up and made dinner. The kind of convenience every man would like, and at present costs only $2,000, which makes it accessible to middle-class families rather than the privileged elite. These robots can change the lives of elders and people with disabilities. Not only do they help in moving them around and making them less lonely, but also remind them to take medicines. Being able to understand and respond to human emotions, they become perfect companions for those in need of help and care. It's not very hard to imagine how these robots can change eldercare and healthcare as a whole. But utility is not everything. Each unit has its characteristics which can be changed to let the buyer select anything from their look to their robot and even to their personality traits. Want a talkative, happy robot? Maybe one that is cool and collected? It is yours to make. Because of the various personalization options, no two robots look alike. Thus, this concept of individuality is attached to them, which makes them appear sometimes less mechanical and rather familial. Of course, there are controversies around the concept of realistic female robots hitting the market. Critics argue that deployment of these robots may feed irrational standards and ethical dilemmas. Are they only two things to make our life better, or might they incidentally support negative stereotypes? The question is complicated, and as these robots proliferate, society will have to confront it. The second is human relations. The other reason to worry is that, due to companion and emotional support robots, people will believe that machines are a better pastime than spending time with other humans profoundly. Do these robots help us to improve our lives, or will they introduce loneliness in a new way? It all depends on the use of this technology, perhaps. It is a double-edged weapon that has some amazing advantages, but also requires careful analysis. For all the reservations of these robots, however, they are not denied of having the excitement surrounding them. Most of the online reviews given by early adopters seem to be positive, and they have already started sharing experiences. What is astounding in these robots is how it learns what its likes are at lightning-fast speeds and feels quite natural for their interactions. That is what most people see when looking at these robots them as the future. This is a very strategic move by China, as it has set the price of these robots at $2,000. This technology now becomes accessible to a large cross-section of people. However, its price tag puts a balance between affordability and cutting-edge capabilities. Perhaps this democratization of robotics will start a world movement and other countries can begin to produce similar products at lower rates. The result? A world where realistic robots can be as common as laptops or smartphones. The producers have already started working on the subsequent wave of improvements and developments as soon as the products become available in the market. Among them are expected features like language processing improvement, durability to be enhanced, and emotional quotient. Some other companies are also researching and pondering how to make these robots as part of smart homes, through which the machine can control different aspects starting from security and light to anything else around the house only using voice commands. There are thousands of potential applications. Think about a robot that helps professionals in challenging jobs, teaches children in many languages, or accompanies you on holiday. It is only our imagination and the speed at which technology is evolving that will limit possibilities. It is exhilarating to be living at this time because we are seeing affordability, innovation, and human ingenuity all come together. But beyond the technology itself, they open up deeper questions of what it means to be human. Can a machine really evoke the subtleties of human emotion? Could we in fact have a relationship with something that isn't living? What will be the impact of robots on how we think about community and identity and relationships as they increasingly flood our lives? It will have to face those challenges as we explore ahead in this new country during the next several decades. It's interesting that the $2,000 female robots are currently the buzzword, while manufacturers already call plans for male models and later on gender-neutral models. It just makes it even more inclusive and by the same token, possibly more attractive, as it is catering to a much greater spectrum of consumers. Companies are also considering customized versions for use in offices, classrooms, and hospitals. Imagine a robot assisting an instructor in school or providing emotional support to kids in hospitals. It could be of great value to society. More than a technological innovation, these $2,000 female robots are the first of a new era, the day when machines and men begin to lose their differentiation. This thrilling and terrifying trip will be the story of the next chapter of history in our world, a promise full of possibilities and adversity. One thing is clear here as these robots formally make their entry into the marketplace. The world is turning, and it is turning fast. Something that was only a small piece of science fiction yesterday is suddenly a reality and available to large numbers of people at quite affordable prices. Be you looking at these robots as friends, tools, or even something else, the impact cannot be denied. They are now here and ready to change how we interact, work, and live. What then does the future bring? Time surely is needed. Still though, these robots can be just the start, and this is something sure of what is to be offered. A world where technology knows with men, learns from men, grows with men, rather than serving their purpose. The boundaries set between man and machine will never be as distinct again, because anything is possible in the new world. That's all for today's video, folks. These innovative androids could change the way we interact with technology and shape the future of our daily lives. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about these new robots? See you in the next one.